Edwin, I'm gonna get now to my rapid fire questions. What's your favorite book?
Business Secrets from the Bible.
That's
that
a good
one?
no, but I should.
You have to.
Favorite movie?
Top Gun.
The original.
Yes.
Yes. Favorite food?
Peruvian food.
Peruvian food.
Yes, lomo saltado.
What
Like
is it?
mix, stir fry mix with French fries and rice.
That's awesome. Favorite car?
Lamborghini.
Which one?
I like the Aventador.
Favorite song or music artist?
Favorite song, my song is my life story song. So that's my favorite song.
Favorite place to visit?
Just to be on the water.
The
on
water.
ocean.
Could be a lake. In the ocean,
In the
like
ocean.
on your yacht.
On the yacht. Yes. On the water. Yes.
Fancy. What is your favorite drink?
Water.
Water.
Yes.
Look at that. It's a good answer. I haven't gotten that one yet. Edwin, if you can give us a tip or a nugget to any struggling entrepreneur, what would you say to them?
Believe in yourself, take action, and look for the delayed gratification that it will come your way. Be persistent.
Edwin, where can the people find you? What's your
Yeah.
website, your IG, your coaching program?
Yes, you can find me in all the social media channels out there, Edwin Carrion 78. And you could go to my website, edwincarrion.com. And in there, you could get my free book, The 9 Secrets to Build a $1 Million Business.
Go to his website, get his free ebook, and figure out the 9 secrets to success.